Hey everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. It's end of April, beginning of May, somewhere in here. And the temperature ranges are, the nights are mid to low 60s, daytimes are high 80s. That's time to get pretty much everything planted. Wanted to show you how my sweet potatoes are doing. I just shoved plants into pots. As you can see, just take a sweet potato, stick it in the dirt, leave it alone, it'll make a sweet potato plant. And you can pick them off and plant them. I have no clue why people do this toothpick in the water bit. Then you break the water roots off and put them in the dirt to try and get it. Just go straight to the dirt. Look, I took a small tray. You can see what's going on underneath. Put in some pieces or whole pieces of sweet potato. And it's been there, I don't know, month and a half. And it's time to get them planted. So I'm going to stop and change over here, and so I have both hands. And a couple of big ducks just went by. Alright, let's see how we're doing here. I believe that this is a white sweet potato. It is. You can see the little stem there off of it. Here's our sweet potato. Okay. That's a beauty. I believe. Yeah. See there? There gives me one gorgeous plant. Now let's see how this little next guy here is doing. There's another gorgeous plant. Just going to break it off right there. See how this one's doing. A really nice plant here growing. I'm going to pull this one. And I'm going to put that one back in the dirt. Let it grow a little bit more. So I'm going to take these three and take them over and plant them. Same in the same containers. I've been planting them for years and years. It's worked out so well. So see when we get over there. I've been putting sweet potatoes here for years and years. And they always come out well. So we're going to put this white one right here in the front. Purple one. They're not really planted as deep as you think. There's a whole lot of leaves. Now I'm going to go get 3 more plants to put on the back side here. So we'll be right back when I go get 3 more plants. Okay, we've got another purple white. Boy, I love those. They're really expensive when you find them in the store. And I think I got another white inside still. So I'm going to leave that spot empty till I go see what I have. Okay. There's that done for a bit. Go see if I can find another white to put there, and then we'll go down to another area and plant some more sweet potatoes. This little 4-foot bed here has been a really good place for me for sweet potatoes for many years. Partially because there's nothing out here next to them but a fence about 4 feet away. So there's plenty of room for the vines to run. Put some fertilizer in. Then we go get the little rototiller, loosen this soil up nice and neat, and then get the sweet potatoes planted. Alright, I've spread a little fertilizer. I like to start out with the soil real loose, but I don't feel like digging it. Too old to be digging like that. So my little Honda tiller is going to make short work of it. Look what it has done. Brought over some of the other plants that I dug up before. Not a whole lot to planting them. Soil is like this. Got a couple more little pieces here that I started. That's a white one you can see. Looks like that is also a white one. Outstanding. Okay. That looks like 5 or 6 plants in a 4-foot bed. Plenty of room to get some giant sweet potatoes growing out of there. So that's probably going to be all I do, those 3 bins up front and this bed here. I want to grow a lot of other things. I only have so much space. So sweet potatoes usually take up a whole lot more space, but I'm going to cut them back some this year. So on to the next stop.